What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Git to your computer. First of all, go to your web browser and type Git. Downloads and click your OS version. So I'm going to go with Windows and 64-bit Git for Windows setup. There we go. I'm going to cancel it because I have downloaded it previously. Now open up your folder where I have downloaded the Git file. So here we go. Double click on it and open it. So click yes for administrative privileges. Click next. Next. So you can select the folder. I'm going to go with the default folder. So click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. And also click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. And one more time. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. And also now you can click install. So it will take around minute or two. So guys, click the first one and untick this and then click finish. So guys, now you have seen Git is installed to your computer. So to confirm it, go to CMD and type Git version. So if you come across this, that means you have perfectly installed your Git version to your computer. So this is the latest version. And that's it guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and share.